When I'm short on time and want something delicious, I make this recipe. Let's get right into it. For this recipe, we'll need 2 eggs, 4 tablespoons of flour, 2 tablespoons of cream cheese, and a teaspoon of salt. Mix it all up. This recipe is going to be so soft and flavorful. Now add 1 chopped tomato and 7 ounces of chopped ham. Mix it again. The combination of these ingredients adds an amazing texture. Next, add in 7 ounces of cheese, a tablespoon of flaked garlic, half a teaspoon of black pepper, a tablespoon of dried parsley, 1 of oregano, and 2 more of fresh parsley. Mix everything really well. Can you already imagine how tasty this will be? Finally, add a teaspoon of baking powder and mix one last time. What would you add to make it even better? Now just scoop out a big spoonful of the batter like this. Place it in the pan and let it brown on both sides. And that's it. Look how good this looks. Folks, this recipe is simple and easy to make. Kids love it. You can also add other ingredients like chicken. It's really, really good. Oh my gosh, it goes perfectly with ketchup. Enjoy.